In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create journal entries in QuickBooks Online tutorial. Journal entries are a powerful tool in QuickBooks Online because they let you record transactions that don't come from your usual forms, like invoices or bills. They're especially useful for adjustments, corrections, or transfers between accounts. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through creating a basic journal entry from start to finish, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you feel confident using this feature. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to your main dashboard. At the very top on the left-hand side, you'll see the Plus New button. This is the starting point for creating most types of transactions in QuickBooks. Go ahead and click that Plus New button to open the menu of options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Journal Entry and select it. This will open the Journal Entry screen where you'll see fields for the date, accounts, debits, credits, and an optional memo. Think of this page as a manual way to tell QuickBooks exactly which accounts to impact. Next, set the date for the transaction. This is important because the date determines which accounting period the entry will affect. Use the calendar picker or type in the date directly. Make sure it matches the period you want to adjust so your reports stay accurate. Now, move down to the first line of the journal entry. In the account column, choose the first account involved in the transaction. This might be an expense, revenue, asset, liability, or equity account, depending on what you're recording. Once you select the account, enter the amount in either the debit or credit column based on how you want that account to be affected. On the next line, select the other account involved in the transaction. Every journal entry needs at least 2 accounts, and total debits must equal total credits. Enter the exact same amount as the first line, but in the opposite column. So if you debited the first account, you'll credit the second account for the same amount. Check that the total debits and total credits at the bottom are equal to confirm the entry is balanced. If you'd like, add a memo in the memo field. This is optional, but highly recommended. Use this space to briefly explain why you're making the journal entry, such as adjusting prepaid expense or reclassifying income. Clear memos make it much easier to understand your entries later or when someone else reviews your books. Once everything looks correct, you're ready to save. If you need to record another journal entry right away, click Save and New. This will save the current entry and open a fresh blank one. If you're done for now, click Save and Close to save your work and return to the dashboard. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can confidently create journal entries in QuickBooks Online and keep your financial records accurate and up to date.